guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Patil and I'll really be happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today is the last day of Ganesh Chaturthi series Prasad edition. It is day 10. This year Ganesh Chaturthi is just for 10 days and not 11 days. So today will be my last recipe of the series, and today I'm going to make a Turkish dessert which is very famous and it is known as kunafa. It is very delicious but a little difficult recipe. So without wasting more time, let's start with the recipe. Take 1 cup of sugar. To that we'll add 1 cup of water. It should be 1:1 ratio. Now let's mix it and boil it, and we'll cook it until the sugar dissolves. As you can see, the sugar is dissolved. Now let's off the flame. In a bowl, we'll add 1 spoon of corn flour and add a little water and mix it and make a paste. Take a pan. To that I've added 125 ml of milk and keep the flame on low. To this we'll add the corn flour paste and stir it continuously so that there won't be any lumps. Cook it on low flame until it thickens up. As you can see, the mixture is started to thicken. To this we'll add half cup of sugar and give it a mix. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that extra flavor. Let's add 2 cubes of processed cheese. Stir it and cook it on low flame until the cheese dissolves. You have to continuously keep stirring or else it will stick to the bottom. Keep it aside to cool down. Here I have taken 350 grams of sevia which was already roasted. If you find thinnest sevia, you can use that. I couldn't find it, so I have taken this. After crushing the sevia, we'll add butter to it and give it a mix again so that the sevia and butter combines together. We will need 2 pans to cook the kunafa, so let's start coating the pan with the butter. Coat the pan properly from all the sides or else the kunafa will stick. As you can see, I have coated both the pans with Amul butter properly. Now we'll take half of the sevia and put it in the pan and spread it evenly from all the sides. We'll use the remaining half sevia later. Now take a bowl and press the sevia, putting a little pressure so that it is firm. Take sufficient time and do this process properly. As you can see, our sevia looks firm. Now we'll add the cheese filling in the center. Do not put the cheese filling at the sides as it will stick to the pan and start burning. As you can see, I have left the ends. I did not put the cheese filling at the sides. Now let's take the sevia and first we'll seal the sides properly. Now let's coat the upper portion with sevia. As you can see, I have coated everything properly with sevia from all the sides. And on the top as well, I am putting a little pressure, not too much but little pressure. Take enough time and do this process so that the cheese filling doesn't come out from anywhere. On the flame and keep it on low. We'll start cooking the kunafa on low flame. After 2 minutes, take another pan and place it at the bottom and we'll cook the kunafa for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 to 12 minutes, we'll take another pan that we had coated with butter and flip the kunafa on the other pan. Do this process very carefully or else the kunafa may break. Let's cook it from the other side for another 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. And here we go, our kunafa is ready. Let's add the sugar syrup to the kunafa. You can add more or less as per your liking. You can also add this sugar syrup while serving the kunafa. Make sure to coat the entire kunafa with sugar syrup. Now let's garnish the kunafa with pistachio powder. This is optional. And here we go, our kunafa is ready to be served. As you can see, the kunafa looks yummy. It tasted like 10 on 10. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the recipe. It was a really tough one, as even I tried it for the first time and it turned out to be very nice and I loved it. Even my family members loved it. So I would recommend you all the recipe. Do try it at your homes and tell me if you like it or not. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all super soon with yet another video. Until then, bye.